Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Etsy shop, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your Etsy shop, first, create an Etsy account if you haven't already. Visit the Etsy website and click on sign in at the top right corner. Select register to start creating your account. Fill in the required information, including your email address, name, and password. Once you register, confirm your email by log into your account after confirming your email. Next, click on Sell on Etsy found in the main menu. You will see an option to open your Etsy shop. Choose your shop language, country, and currency. After that, click Save and Continue. Now, pick a shop name that reflects your brand. Make sure it's unique and within the 20-character limit. Once you've chosen a name, click Save and Continue. Your next step involves listing your items. Click on Add a listing to start this process. Upload clear photos of your product from different angles. Fill in the title, description, and tags to describe your item accurately. Set your price and enter the quantity available for sale. Add information about your shipping options, including dimensions and costs. Once everything is filled out, click Save and Continue. You will be prompted to set up your payment methods. Select your preferred payment options, such as Etsy Payments or PayPal. Follow the instructions to connect your bank account or payment method. Next, review your shop details on the shop dashboard. Make any necessary changes before moving to the next step. Click on Open Your Shop to finalize the activation process. Congratulations, your Etsy shop is now live. You can start promoting your shop on social media and other platforms. Keep track of your shop's performance through the dashboard. Regularly update your inventory and listings to attract more customers. Consider adding shop policies to ensure transparency with buyers. Engage with your customers through messages and reviews. Stay active and innovative to keep your shop thriving. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.